Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the BIOS immediately and locating the Secure Boot and TPM sections. Once in, make sure TPM is enabled and set to firmware or discrete if present, because Secure Boot relies on it. Next, set the OS type to Windows UEFI or other OS depending on your target, and switch boot mode to UEFI only. Save a BIOS profile backup to USB now, so you can revert if needed, and then reboot into UEFI shell or installer for key enrollment. You now choose Custom Secure Boot so you can control platform key, PK, and key exchange keys, KEK. This is critical for trust. Once selected, clear or install PK depending on whether you want vendor defaults or your own. Then add KEK and DB entries, import vendor certificates or your generated keys from the FAT32 USB. Make sure you follow the order. Install PK first, then KEK, then DB. This prevents boot blocks and establishes a verified chain of trust for signed loaders and drivers. You finish by enabling Secure Boot and saving the configuration, then immediately test booting your intended OS to confirm signature acceptance. If the system refuses to boot, revert to your saved BIOS profile or disable Secure Boot temporarily to regain access, and inspect the DB and DBX lists for revoked keys that may block your loader. Make sure BIOS is updated because firmware bugs can break enrollment. If problems persist, recreate keys and re-enroll in correct sequence, then retry booting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.